Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the gift card code, remaining balance, and expiry so you know its value. Log into your Daraz account and add the items you want to buy, then go to the checkout page. Once on the payment screen, locate the gift card or voucher input field, enter the code carefully and apply. If partial coverage occurs, the remaining amount shows, prepare another payment method. Make sure to save a screenshot of the applied code for reference. Once the gift card is applied, review the adjusted order total and the amount covered. If the gift card does not fully pay, choose a secondary payment method, card, e-wallet, or cash on delivery, and enter details securely. Make sure any Daraz promo codes are applied before you confirm, because discounts may change the required payment. After reconciling totals, read shipping and return terms, then tap Confirm Order. Keep an eye on the payment confirmation screen and transaction ID that appears. After confirming, verify the order confirmation email and the transaction ID to ensure the gift card was consumed correctly. If the code is rejected, double-check for similar characters, 0 versus O, 1 versus I, whitespace, and expiry rules. Re-enter carefully. If the balance didn't apply or an error persists, take screenshots of the error, applied code, and totals, then contact Daraz support with your order ID. One quick tip: try a different browser or the Daraz app if the checkout form misbehaves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.